we are playing the new hit game Peak. Well, the game is pretty simple, where you and your closest friends try to climb a mountain. So I grabbed two of my closest friends, and Ten and Lance, and we're gonna do the job of climbing a mountain. And everything's gonna go great.
I agree. Let's do it.
That's
Dab me up. Come on, please.
the intro.
Please. Please. Please.
All right, and now I'm gonna do like a really cool jump cut with like really good timing, and we're gonna.
Okay.
Ooh, ow! Wow! I really wish Ten didn't use.
You.
I got a card.
5. Let's go.
Okay. All right. So that's the mountain.
Worse.
That's the.
I didn't like that.
Two credits.
What's wrong? You don't like that the name of the game and where we have to climb is the. We have stat bars on our left.
Are those
I think I'm
coconuts?
hungry.
I was about to literally say I think I'm a little hungry.
What is this? I'm not gonna touch it. Can we collect rocks?
Lance, I think you should.
Is Lance the only one who gets a?
No.
Is Lance the only one who gets a backpack? Cause I'm
Maybe we can find one later.
Okay. Trail
Take this
mix.
trail mix though.
I'm gonna take the bandages. See, guys, this is why I survived the longest.
I have a whole med kit in my pocket.
Are you
I don't know
serious?
what you're talking about.
And sprint. Never abandon a friend in need.
Multi?
Never.
Multi?
Rule 0. I'm sorry, I was reading.
Multi?
Where's Lance? Yeah.
Where's Lance?
Where's Mark?
Let's go this way. Come on,
Alright.
come on.
He'll be fine. He has the backpack.
He has the backpack. That's not good for us.
No. I mean, oh well, yeah. But you have me.
Come on, we gotta.
Wait,
up.
hold on. Wait, stay behind you. Stay wait. I never. I'm good.
Behind you? Oh. Yeah, you were finna be cooked because I was not about to react to that.
Lance, hurry up. Lance, no.
Lance is there. Lance is there. Better. Did he slip?
I don't know.
Do we go to the right? Do we wrap right? Or do we wrap
I think the
left?
name of the game is that we have to get to the.
I will punch you. Listen, you get what I mean. Obviously, we can't climb this.
Says
Do
you.
you think we wrap to the left or right?
I think we go. Yeah, I think we go to the left. I think we're supposed to be saving Lance.
Ah, he's okay.
No. See, because Scoutmaster Myers said, you never leave a friend, and never abandon a friend in need.
Cool.
Oh! You think there's like professional speedrunners that are watching this? Like, they don't know, but they actually got like a really.
Lance is
Crazy
so
speed.
cooked.
I'm opening an ancient.
So
Ah!
cooked.
Don't worry, guys. I got it.
Hey. Wait, there's Lance.
Where?
He went to the right, I think. Lance, hurry up over here. Come over.
How come I can't drop this clock? No! Alright, so if the stone effigy is used for anything.
Fine.
Wait, Tank, come here.
Whoa.
I learned a new power move. Come here. Where you at?
Hold on. Power move.
Yeah. Where you at? Hold on.
Please, man.
Yo. Actually, come right here.
No.
No, come right here. This game is about communion and trust. Come right here. Alright, press control. Yeah, let's see. Alright, now uncontrol. What? Hold on.
I'll carry this,
Lance is alive again?
I'm climbing.
Never abandon a friend in need. Thank you, coach, for your message. Now depart. Oh my days, I chucked that thing. Guys, I found a granola bar. I'm starting to feel like you guys have left me behind. Friends.
That's a
find out.
great question.
And wave dashed over my forehead. Move your skirt. I'm gonna die.
I
I'm
don't
gonna die.
think I-
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
No,
I'm gonna
no.
die. I'm gonna die.
Yeah, like,
Please! Ah!
I think maybe there's another one.
Oh wait, that got rid of my poison though.
I'm shattering my bones.
It really leaked that poison out. I can hear Lance echoing dying.
Lance, are you above us or below
He
us?
has
Like,
to be
where have
above
you
us.
gone? Oh, homie said he fell.
Okay. Okay. There are I am not smart enough in this game. I need a clear path.
Hold up, I got this. I got this. I got
I'm on
this. Seriously, man. Seriously, man. Hey, bro, you gonna catch me, right? Please. Hey, like seriously, man.
Oh, I did. Yeah,
I
I did. I saw like a little icon. I was like, it did like a friendship thing. There's no way. I need an energy drink or something. You know, we had flare. Oh! Oh! Ah! We had flares on the plane. We just shot a flare in the air. If that's like an alternate win, I'm gonna be pissed. That didn't look like it was healthy. Nice.
To be you.
Yeah, okay.
It's gonna have to be you.
All right.
It's gonna have to be you.
I'm getting ready. Why'd you jump up?
Okay.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go.
Perfect. Oh, that's perfect, bro. I'm climbing. Please. Please. Please.
oh, he lives.
Turn it out. Where's Lance at?
He's right here, bro.
Where?
The one with the backpack. Give me the backpack, bro. You pissed me off.
Give me the backpack, bro. Give me the backpack, bro.
I don't have
Hey,
help.
Lance. Hey, Lance.
What you gonna do?
Hey,
What
Lance.
you gonna
Hey Lance,
What
hey
you gonna
Lance,
do?
why is the
What
backpack
you
empty?
gonna do?
Why is the backpack empty? Why is the hey yo, real quick, y'all follow me real fast. I got the solution. Well, we have to. It's not a choice. Hey guys, I heard that last plane had a great time.
I can't help but notice you took the backpack this time.
Yes. Right, I
I'm not
don't trust you
taking
with the
any of this
fucking
other stuff.
backpack.
Hold on, hold on. Why is this one coconut weigh so much?
We're pretty small.
Damn, my head.
Because surely it would have a useful item like a bag of trail mix.
You just gonna do it raw? Alright. How'd that work out for you?
Lance, hold!
You should have. Lance
Oh.
does not care about his life, man. Oh, that brother's hooked.
Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good. Watch this. Let's watch this.
Now I just need to get to this. The issue is I don't have that much health. Like my health is like half, and I did it like that. I'll wait over here to give you guys a helping hand. And also to rob you of any bandages you have.
Help.
Help! Help! Help!
I was
Help!
getting water.
Okay. Oh my god.
I didn't think you needed. But I'll help my friend Lance. Hi, Lance. Lance, don't
I
Lance.
like
Lance, no. Lance left me. Alright, Tromix carried you for so long. Today, you show your value to me. Thank you, Tromix.
Oh!
Thank you, Tromix. I couldn't have done it without you.
You made it. You made it. I made it.
Where are you? Oh,
Lance
snap.
is cut.
Where's Lance? Yo, I saw like this jellyfish in the ground. I thought that was just a splattered corpse. I was like, oh.
Can you
High
climb
five.
up right here? Like a.
High five. Thanks, man. You really
I'm
helped
holding
me.
it. You saw that, right?
Yeah, nah, man.
No,
Yeah,
like
really
you saw
great.
that though.
Yeah, man. Oh. Dang. Yeah, I can't help but notice you're missing the body though.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I wonder what 10 is doing. I just watched it.
Oh, no, like, you guys need to find a statue for that.
Oh, it says that like a revive requirement or something.
Yeah, to get resurrected.
Alright, well I will bring you back, bro. I'm no 10. Know what I'm saying?
Alright, now I'm back to see what tennis do. Someone touch the statue,
Alright.
please.
Wait, where's 10 at? Is he here?
I'm here. I've been up here.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Come on.
I could cook it. All right, cool.
Yeah. And everything
I
from
like
now
that.
on is
That's a
gonna
good
be
brown
easy.
right there.
Oh my!
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You see what happens when you talk?
Where are you guys? Hello? Oh, hey Lance. Lance? Oh. Please don't tell me that restarts it. Alright. I don't know what happened, but I'm back. Surely my friends didn't leave me too far. Our camp counselor told us to never abandon a friend. Look at them. Look at Lance, you died already? Oh. Oh, is that Lance's body? Oh. Oh! What just happened?
Where you at?
What happened?
No way. Oh. Oh, no way. Not like this. Oh, this is crazy work. God!
Are you making it? Oh, he ain't making it no more. He ain't making it no more.
Shut up, Money Wizard Gang.
Lance.
We love. It's probably because he's concussed.
I think you look
We
great.
love casting spells.
I think you look great, Lance. I think you came in. What happened? Today we're gonna go camping, and everything's gonna be great. And today we're gonna. Hey Lance, let's go back. Let's leave you. That brother Jared, he's over here.
Multi?
Yeah. Apparently, the event that I was supposed to go to today was somebody's graduation party. I thought we were just hanging out.
Oh.
Well, they'll understand when they see this upload. They're like, yeah, he's doing something important.
Okay.
I mean,
Oh,
this
you're
video-
just
this-
not going anymore.
Yeah, no, I'm not going. But it's like to keep it like I need this video out. You know, I'm keeping a schedule. Like this video is probably gonna come out like probably like a week or two after my.
You guys ready to do the thing? And no one died. Lance is coming
This
just
is-
super slowly.
Heals. Now time for adventure. The tropic rainforest. chill, but despite your monkey instinct, I can't really fly that
Please get
well.
away from me. Which way are you guys going?
I'm just following Lance. He seems to know.
Bear lead.
All right, that's noted. Hey, oh, am I lagging out? No, no, not again. No, no, no. Oh, my Shayla. So yeah, this is actually where the video ends. The game kept crashing, but the game recently just came out, so it's not that bad on them. But if you guys want to see us try to tackle this game again, just do all the YouTube things, like, comment, share it, and I'll make sure to kidnap the boys for another episode. All right, take care.